Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Decluttering your home can sometimes feel very overwhelming. You may not know where to start, or you might feel like it will take forever to get your home organized. What if I told you there was a quick and easy way to declutter your home and it only takes 10 minutes at a time? It's so easy to do, and it will make a huge difference. Here's how it works. Pick one area. That's it. Just one area or drawer or shelf. You choose. It doesn't matter where you start. It could be that pile of clothes that magically appeared on the chair. You know the one. Or those toys that have taken over your child's floor. Anywhere counts. Just find somewhere that you can reasonably finish in 10 minutes. I've been doing this for a long time, so I decided to tackle a bigger area today. For my 10 minutes today, I chose to do the laundry room. Now, usually I focus on one shelf or one drawer at a time. I will take everything out, wipe it down, and only put back what I actually use and love. But today I'm going to switch things up a bit since I chose a larger area. I can't be as thorough if I want to get the whole area done in 10 minutes. Because the shelves are pretty clean, I'm going to go through the shelves quickly and just organize what's there. Anything I don't use or need will be removed. I set a timer for 10 minutes and got to work. Remember, because I'm tackling a larger area, I'm not being as thorough. I'm just organizing everything there and pulling out anything that I don't need. It went smoothly and quickly. By working against a timer, I had to make quick decisions, and I didn't have time to overthink things or get burned out. While I worked, I kept a mental note of anything that needed to be replaced or restocked. And to finish off, I swept the floor and wiped it down with a wet rag. And wow, what a difference 10 minutes makes. Decluttering doesn't have to be this giant, exhausting event. When you break it up into small 10-minute segments, it feels doable. It feels motivating, and best of all, it actually gets done. Now I want to hear from you. What area are you going to tackle for your 10-minute declutter? Drop it in the comments, and if you're feeling brave, share your before and after pictures. I would love to see them. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.